Hey, it's Aly. Welcome to my channel. Today I am showing you everything you need to know about taking an at-home PCR lamp kit. And by at home, I mean you can do this from your hotel when you're out of the country. So today we are in Puerto Vallarta, Mexico. We are flying back to Canada within less than 72 hours. And we just finished our PCR tests with a nurse over teleconference call, and it was really quick. It took less than 10 minutes, and I'm gonna show you everything you need to know about it. Before you fly on your vacation, you can buy these test kits. They are $150 Canadian per kit. They arrive at your house within 2 to 3 days of ordering. You just bring these in your check luggage or your carry-on. You can open up this main part, but do not open this box here. You have to do that live with the nurse when you're actually doing your test. When you start your test, all you do is scan this QR code that will bring you to the website. You do need to create an account if you don't have one already. This is with Switch Health. Once you log in, you will select whether you are doing an at-home test kit, choose the lamp test that you are doing. Make sure that you choose what country you're doing the test in. So we are right now in Mexico. Make sure that your information matches all of your government issued ID. Just follow the instructions. It's very easy to do. Everything is very straightforward. Once a nurse answers the call, you will be directed to open up everything in this box. I've already done the test. Basically, do not open this box until you are live with a nurse on the call. After that, she guides you through every step of the process. It took less than 10 minutes. And once you finish the nose swab and put it in the little sample liquid, it'll take about 30 minutes. And then you upload your results. Someone will verify it on the other end. And then you get a result via email that you can use at the airport to board the plane. All right, now we wait 30 minutes. Easy peasy.
Lemon squeezy.
Lemon squeezy. I hope that provided you everything you need to know. I will leave a link below about where you can buy the kits online, and be sure to check out all my other travel videos about Mexico or the US, and we'll see you on the next one.